In this video, I'll show you how to install Grok AI on Windows in 2026. If you want to use Grok AI on your Windows PC, the first thing you need to do is check which official access options are currently available for your device. Start by opening your web browser and visiting the official Grok website. Check whether an official Windows application is available for download. If an official Windows app is offered, use the official download source rather than downloading an installer from an unknown website. After downloading the official installer, open the downloaded file from your computer. Windows may display a security confirmation before allowing the installation to continue. If you recognize the application and downloaded it from an official source, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Wait for Windows to complete the installation. When the process finishes, launch the Grok application from the Start menu or desktop shortcut if one was created. Next, sign in to your Grok account using the available login method. If you don't have an account, follow the registration process to create one. Once you are signed in, explore the main Grok interface. You can start conversations, ask questions, generate content, work with code, brainstorm ideas, and use other features available to your account. If an official Windows application is not available for your device, you can still access Grok through its official website using a supported web browser. In that case, there is no separate Windows installation required. For safety, avoid third-party Grok installers, modified applications, or unofficial download websites. Always verify that you are using an official source before installing software or entering account information. Also remember that Grok's Windows availability, installation process, and interface can change as the service is updated, and that's how you can install and use Grok AI on Windows in 2026. If this guide helped you, like